Namaste, good morning to all. Today's series is especially beneficial to COVID related health issue. It also acts as preventive for all. Many of the hospital nowadays uses this asana and pranayam series to reduce chest congestion, to reduce fever and also to boost the energy level. There are total 11 asana with focused breathing. So let's start. First asana, Parvatasana. So you have to sit cross-legged, both the hands by your sides. Inhale and take both the hands up. So this is the normal stretch. Now to start with, you have to inhale and stretch your elbows up, exhale and relax. Start. Inhale, exhale, relax. Again, inhale, exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, relax. Last round. Inhale, exhale, relax and relax your hands. So this asana is especially helpful for our side muscles and very good stretch to your lungs. I have done we will do only 3 to 4 rounds. When you practice 10 rounds and in 2 sets, then only it will be effective. This is a short video, so I can't do more. Okay, second posture. Keep your hands in this position, slightly behind and fingers pointing backward like this. Okay, now we were using pause breathing. So inhale, fully inhale, then exhale in one shot. Get ready, hands by your sides, finger pointing behind, stretch well and we'll start. Inhale, again inhale. Now exhale. Second round. Inhale, exhale. If you are capable, you can inhale with 3 pauses also. So like this. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, exhale, then relax your hand. 2 pause is comfortable for everybody. If you want to improve your capacity more and if you are capable, you can do 3 pauses. Okay, we'll go ahead. Now Sukhasana, side bend, फिर उसमें breathing करना है. So I am taking my right hand up, left hand on the floor, palm touching the floor. Okay, now stretch your right hand. Now slightly bend, only this much. Okay, now focus here and you have to do deep breathing. Come on, start. Inhale, exhale, very good expansion of your ribs. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and relax. Again you have to do 8 to 10 rounds on each side. We'll repeat second side. Stretch well, just bend, stretch. Now start with the breathing, focusing on your side ribs. Start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and relax. Now fourth asana. In Manjarasana, you have to do strong exhalation. So while sitting I am showing you, then I will show with the posture. This is the pattern. With the strong ha sound, you have to exhale. Now we will do Manjarasana with strong mouth exhalation. So come in cat pose, head position neutral. Now inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhalation has to be very strong and there is no spine or neck movement. Next asana is reclined diaphragm breathing. So you have to lie down, you have to put both the hands on your navel and deep breathing. So this is the posture. Lie down on your back. Fold your legs like this. Put both the hands on your navel area. Now inhale deeply. Exhale. While exhaling, you have to press your navel with both the hands. Gentle pressure. Complete exhalation. Then release the pressure. Again inhale. Exhale. Exhalation from your nose. Relax. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Do strong exhalation so all stale air comes out of your system. Next asana is Paridharasana. I'll show you while sitting. Cross your hands, put your thumb like this, fingers below your armpit. Inhale and slightly lift your hands and exhale and press well. दोनों बाजू से अच्छी तरह से प्रेस करना है. Like this, press and hold for 6 count. If you have too much of chest congestion, don't hold. Just press and then relax. I'll show you. Now you require only one pillow. So lie down. Cross your hands, legs straight. Inhale, lift your elbows this much. Exhale, press. Press well. Complete exhalation, hold out for 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then relax. So maintain nice pressure when after exhalation and while holding also. Again, inhale, exhale, hold out. Press well, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then relax. So this Paridharasana is very helpful for reducing fever. Now next asana is Yastikasana and Vakrasana twist. I'll show you. Now remove the pillow. Lie down supine on your back. Stretch your hands behind. Stretch well. Flex your toes outward and stretch well. Keep this stretch on and you have to do deep breathing. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And relax. So again 10 rounds and 2 sets. Next is Vakrasana. So fold your legs, hands by your sides, twist right side, give pressure from upper knee to lower knee, look opposite side, and then in this twisted position you have to do breathing, deep breathing. Inhale, exhale, focus on the stretch area. Inhale, exhale. 10 rounds, then second side, left side, stretch, start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Come in the center, relax. Turn to one side and get up. Next is combination of Manjarasana and Parvatasana. Very good for back part of your ribs. So how you have to do? Coming cat pose. We will do only 2 rounds. Inhale, neck up, press your lower back well. Exhale, go up, come on your toes. Now slowly press your heels on the floor and then stay for 3 to 4 counts. Again, release your posture. Go down, inhale, neck up, exhale, lift your body up. You are on your toes, heels off the floor. Now press your heels on the floor and head down and stay here for 4 counts. Release your posture. So this also you have to do 10 times. less capacity, 7 times and 2 sets. Okay, next, very important posture and very important breathing also. It is called Bhumi Naman और खांसी breath के साथ. So what is खांसी breath? You have to do like this 2 times. विक्स की गोली लो, खिच खिच दूर करो वाली खांसी लो, right? Like this 2 times, and the posture is Bhumi Naman. So again this posture, hands like this. Now head towards the floor, and now do khansi 2 times. Stop. Again do khansi 2 times. Stop. This also you can do 10 times. Do at your comfort level. और बहुत ज़्यादा मत करना, संभल के करना. It's like this. Again I am showing you. जो पुराना कफ रहता है, जो कंजेशन रहता है, पोलेंस रहता है, डर्ट रहती है लंग्स में, वो सारा कुछ आपके अंदर से निकल जाएगा. ये ब्रेथ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी मच वाइडली यूज. नाउ लास्ट पोस्चर, we will do proning. Proning means you have to lie down on your stomach, 1 pillow below your chest and 1 pillow below your shin bone, your ankle, neck on one side, and then you have to do deep breathing. This acts as a natural ventilator. It helps to increase your oxygen level in your blood. Okay, so we will do 1 pillow below your chest and 1 pillow below your shin bone. हेड ऑन द फ्लोर, हवा में नहीं रखना. हैंड्स बाय योर साइड्स, या इस तरह से फोल्ड भी कर सकते हो. राइट, नाउ जस्ट रिलैक्स योर माइंड फर्स्ट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ स्टार्ट विद द डीप ब्रीदिंग. डीप इनहेलेशन, डीप एक्सहेलेशन. कंटिन्यू. इनहेल, एक्सहेल, inhale, exhale, stop and relax. In this proning, you can do continuously 10 to 15 rounds and 2 to 3 sets. एक बार सुबह किया है तो एक बार शाम को भी कर सकते हो. Right? All these 11 postures are very helpful और हमने क्लास में किया है. Because of student request याद नहीं रहता है, so that's why I have demonstrated. Along with this, gargle करते रहना hot water का, steam लेते रहना, जलनेती करना, everything is very important. Take care of your health. Thank you.